Good Tuesday evening. I'm Julia Espinosa at the First Alert Weather Center, and we are tracking weakening onshore flow. So ahead of us, temperatures are going to be gradually warming up, especially for those interior valleys and over our mountain areas. Now, at upper levels, we are tracking a trough of low pressure over the Pacific Northwest, and we do have a ridge of high pressure centered over Texas. So we're just sandwiched in the middle of two components. So for that very reason, it's been quite comfortable and pleasant. We've been following a moderate onshore flow, bringing us morning cloud cover followed by afternoon sunshine. Now, ahead of us, as we start to see those changes, we are going to be starting to see those temperatures really warm up with less night to morning cloud cover. So tomorrow morning, down towards the south coast, we are seeing limited amounts, mainly that cloud cover holding to those areas north of Point Conception. And for those valley areas as early as Thursday, that's where we could be tracking those temperatures now in the 90s to triple-digit heat and slightly above average. As we go towards your Friday, onshore flow could be strengthening just a tad, so we may be seeing a little change right there. However, nonetheless, we are going to be seeing those temperatures really stay warm as we go towards the weekend. And to put this into perspective a little closer to home, you can see tomorrow, Wednesday morning, those low-hanging clouds and areas of fog just right here for the central coast. Down towards the south coast, we are waking up to those nice clear conditions, and then although we woke up to that cloud cover, it does clear away rather quickly. By 10-11 a.m., all of us getting to enjoy from those beautiful blue skies. Now, the main concern with this type of weather pattern is the wind. Pressure gradients are tightening, and this is going to be prompting the potential for those gusty sundowner winds. So throughout the afternoon, it is west to northwest winds, quite breezy at 5 to 15 miles per hour. Heading towards sundown, that's where we could be tracking those gusty conditions near Gaviota, Refugio, and this may warrant a wind advisory, something that we'll remain quite watchful for. As we go towards those overnight hours, we see that downslope wind effect, potentially keeping some areas quite warm overnight, such as San Luis Obispo and out towards Pismo Beach. By your Thursday afternoon, although winds are going to be breezy, they're not as strong as to what we are anticipating going into tomorrow night, so less likely to see that advisory go into effect. Now, here's a look at your daytime highs for midweek. Santa Barbara, you're looking at 81 degrees. Carpinteria, just a tad bit cooler by 2 degrees, looking at 78 as a daytime high. Temperature still running below average if you are inland. Buellton, you're at 83. Santa Maria, near seasonal at 75 degrees. Heading up north over Paso, 92. San Luis Obispo, 78. And then for Ventura County, here's a look as to what you can expect. If you are right alongside the coastal areas, we're talking mid to upper 70s. Valley areas such as Ojai getting hotter out there, looking at 96 degrees. That's a look at your forecast. Be sure to check in for tonight for the latest weather details.